Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and today I'm working on actually sharpening a blade for my oscillating tool. My son broke he tried to open a door without turning the lock, and he ended up ripping the wood off the wall, basically the door jamb. So anyhow, I was using my oscillating tool, and the blade was like dull as could be, and I was thinking, hey, maybe I could go and sharpen this. And sure enough, I checked YouTube, and I saw a video where a guy took a grinder and he ran some grooves in here. And so I came out in the garage, I ground some grooves in it, and I went back downstairs, and the thing was like barely cutting. I went back to YouTube, looked around, see if there were any other ways to do it, and I found another video on actually filing these teeth, and I used a triangular file, and I got really good results with this. I was impressed. So I have another blade here, and I just figured I would show it with you guys. So first of all, this blade, I ground it down. There's no teeth on it whatsoever. So all you have to do is take your blade and clamp it in a vise about a 1/4 inch, maybe 5/16 from the top of the vise jaw. The file I'm using, now this is a very good file. This is a Nicholson, and tapered 6mm. It's a triangular file, and it worked quite well on the last one. So let me reposition you guys. So here we go. We're just going to take the triangle from the file, and we're going to give it a good couple pushes here. And it's only going to take a few passes. And you can see it puts a nice triangle on there. I'll do one more. You got to push down, take time. Gets a nice tip on there. And I'm just going to keep working my way down. So there it is. You can see it. According to the clock, it took me under 3 minutes to do that. Here's a nice close-up look at it. And you can see I just took my time. Doesn't take too long to do it with the file. When I tried doing it with the grinder, I guess things weren't precise enough, and also the top of the teeth were actually flat. So I have more teeth per inch with the file, and that thing really looks good. Now we'll put in the saw. Okay guys, I put a piece of, it's actually pine that's in the vise, and here's a look at the blade. And you can see it's definitely nice and sharp. You gotta watch because these measurements now aren't right because I brought it down. But we're going to show you how well this thing cuts. Not bad at all. Very impressed. I don't know if that's as good as the factory blade, but honestly, these blades don't cost a lot of money. You can get about 10 of them for 20 bucks or so, but I don't have them here today, and for the job I'm doing, it's just easier to sharpen it. As you saw in the video, it took about 3 minutes. So I'll put a link to a file like the one I used, and an oscillating tool. If you're interested in one of these tools, they're pretty handy. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you liked the video. Take care.